Critter Trade's here, and today we're going to take a look at the NicerAuto detail brushes. And they sell these in a couple different size sets. They have like a 5, 8, and an 11-piece set, but they all contain pretty similar brushes here. This set here that I have has both 16 size and 18. The 16 is a little bit smaller. That basically just shows you the diameter of the brush. And they have 3 different types of brushes. There's 2 of each type of brush. This is the fine synthetic brush, and these fine hairs are very thin, and so they're very, very soft, and they'll work really awesome for things that you're worried about scratching. For example, screens, buttons. If you have really glossy black interior pieces that you don't want to scratch, these are perfect for that. These will be really, really soft and the least abrasive of all the different brush types. These are also really good for leather seats as well because they're not going to scratch them. These ones here are also full synthetic, but these are a little bit more coarse bristles, and so that these are better for a little bit bigger things like vents in your dash, exterior things like wheels as well. These are really good for those. Emblems, those things that you're trying to clean around that you can't get to with a microfiber brush, for example. So these are really awesome for exterior or door pockets, things that are pretty grimy, pretty dirty, that aren't as delicate as like a screen would be or buttons. And then the last brush type is a combination of synthetic bristles and also boar's hair bristles. So it has a little bit of both in there. This one's a little bit softer than the full synthetic ones that are coarse, but this is also a pretty coarse brush. And this again is going to be pretty similarly used for more rough things like this, like door pockets, window sills, those sorts of materials. And also both of these are really good multi-purpose brushes. This is probably the best for any use you want. Just pick this one up. This is probably your best choice just to pick up if you're not sure. This is the most coarse brush. This is kind of an intermediate one, and this is a very fine brush. These are made really well, and the bristles are very nice and smooth, and so these are going to do a really good job cleaning out those little nooks and crannies that you can't really get to. If you're looking to purchase these, check out a link down in the description, and if you have any questions or comments, let me know those as well.